Hi guys, it's me Layla. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys some fairly clean and simple cards that I've made. This is clean and simple for me because I'm very heavy-handed on embellishments for my cards. So this definitely was a challenge. I was commissioned, like I mentioned before, to make some cards, and these are the colors that well, this is the color scheme that I worked with. So those are the black and red ones. These ones are black and reds. Those were earth tones with a pop of color, and pink and oranges. Now, surprisingly, I had no red flowers in my stash, which was pretty amazing, but I normally do not work with reds, so I wasn't that much surprised. But I usually try to keep one pack of flowers of each color in my stash. So I'm going to go ahead and go through the cards individually and show you guys what I've used. So we will start with the black and red ones, and I'll push these ones aside for right now. This one right here, I used I think it's the Seven Gypsies paper pad. If I can find it, yeah, it's right here. I thought I was prepared. It's this paper pad. I purchased it from my local craft supply store. I don't know if it's called Trousseau. I'm pretty sure it is. I never knew what the name of this paper was. So the background paper is the Seven Gypsies one, and then I backed it up with some red cardstock, just plain red cardstock, and in the back there is another layer of black paper that you could see with red and white lining, and I got it from this basic pad that I purchased from AC Moore. It has a variety of different colors. That's why I like this pack, so I keep it in my stash to use for any colors that I don't normally have in paper pads. So use that. The Happy Birthday is a sentiment stamp from, it's the heart4art stamp set, and it's called, I guess, Yummy Treats, I guess. It's right there. Once again, it's very old and very well loved, if you could tell. The Happy Birthday is losing its originality now because it's so well loved. I love this stamp set for stamping birthday sentiments because it's so versatile. So, and then the bling, I got it from AC Moore's, and these flowers are all from my stash. This is from Hobby Lobby Paper Studio, as well as this. No, this is from AC Moore's, and this is from the ribbon section at Michael's. And then I just added some bling that I got from Hobby Lobby. And this lace is all from my stash. This is actually glitter paper, polka dot regular black paper. This is the lace on a roll when Michael's was selling them eons ago. And this is black rosette trim. I don't know if you could tell the rosettes, but that's what it is. It's black rosettes. So I thought this card turned out really pretty. And the inside is just all plain and simple. Nothing fancy on the inside. Just white regular paper to write your sentiments on. So that's card number 1. This is card number 2 again. Plain on the inside. This paper is, I'm sure you guys remember from Recollections. It's the Color Splash, I believe. Yeah, Color Splash. And you can use whatever inks you want to use, and you could tell the patterns in them a little bit from the lighting coming in. So I think I purchased 2 of these. So I wanted to use at least one, so I took it out, and I didn't have any red decorative paper. It's pretty sad. I need to step up my game on the red color. Again, flower from my stash. Again, the ribbon flower. Lace from my stash. There's a black lace on the bottom. and a red lace on the top. I stamped happy birthday from this. I basically used this one happy birthday sentiment for all the cards. And I added the bling. The polka dot is from that paper stack, the basics paper stack that I showed you guys earlier. And then I used red stickles. What's this one? This is the red stickles I used. The ink that I used to do the background for the roses is, they're two different inks. One of them is Tim Holtz Fire Brick. Oh, I have the small one. It's this one that I used. And then the other one is a Craft Smart color, and I think it's called Brick Red, and it's this one. I think I got this from Michael's a long time ago. Sorry guys, I know I keep saying a long time ago because I'm actually trying, I haven't purchased a lot of new stuff. I'm trying to use up whatever I have because I'm turning out to become a hoarder. So this is the two black and red cards that I made. Next I made the, let's do the pink and orange ones. I used the pink and orange colors. I loved working with these two colors. I thought it was pretty challenging, but I really, really liked it. I enjoyed it. So for this one, the background paper, again, is from the Basics stash. The second layer is from the Target Dollar Spot during, what was it? Fall, I think. They had these papers out. So when they went 90% off or 80%, I don't remember, I purchased 2 or 3 of these because I like the colors. You can use them year round. And then I have some pink glitter paper, and I created a border on this one. That's the boho paper pad that I'm talking about. It's this one. It's from Michael's Recollections a long time ago again. It's these ones right here. I really love this paper pad actually. And I regret not purchasing another one. I only had one, picked up one. The Happy Birthday again is from the same stamp set, and I colored it in, I stamped it on white, and then I used my Distress inks to color in Spiced Marmalade. That one, by Tim Holtz. The butterfly is from Michael's. These are flowers are all from Michael's. And then I've added a little glitter bling from Michael's. The ribbons are all also from Michael's. This one is from Hobby Lobby when they had their fall 80% or 90% off. I found a couple of rolls sitting around, so I picked them up. And this is card number, and the spray is from AC Moore's actually. Sorry, forgot to mention that. So this is card number 3. Card number 4. They're pretty much the same style because, like I told you guys, clean and simple is very challenging for me. So I kind of did one and I stuck with that theme, and that's what I went with. The again, same sentiment, happy birthday stamped from that same stamp set, and I double colored that one with Spiced Marmalade and picked raspberry. So it's these two. Tim Holtz Distress inks also. Flowers are all from Michael's, and the bling is from Michael's. Again, same butterfly. I just deepened that one. This paper is actually from the Bramble Rose pack. I really like this pack. So it's from that one. The background paper right here, you could just see a peek of it. Right, the orange one right there. I actually stamped it with this stamp set right here. And I purchased this, I believe from AC Moore's. Yeah, and it's from Stampology, I guess. That's the brand. And then this is the SKU, Mindy's Flowers. That's what it's called. And I used two different flowers. This one right here and that one, that flourish. I used those two and I stamped them, and then I heat embossed it with this heat embossing powder by Zing, and it's called Apricot. It's really pretty. I really do like this color. I normally don't like oranges, but I really do like this color. And it gave it like just a little bit of pop of variation of orange, because the orange kind of blended and I didn't like it. So this one just shows the orange popping out a little bit. The bottom paper, honestly guys, I don't remember what paper pad I used it. Oh dear. Oh well. It's a pink. No, I don't remember. I'm having a brain freeze. Oh, I think it's from the Lost and Found, the blush collection. I think. It looks like it. I believe. I'm not 100% sure, but yeah. So that's card number 4. The Fun Fur was actually white, and I just dipped it in, or not dipped it, but I rubbed the pink, Tim Holtz pink picked raspberry color on it. It kind of made it a little bit pinky. It's a light pink. And on the back, if you guys see this orange thing, let me pick up the card. This piece of orange. This actually I upcycled. I purchased some fruits, and the fruits came in that little, I don't know, baggy looking thing. And I really liked it, so I kept it. And I used it. And I think it looks really nice. Okay, card number, or set number 3, which is card 5 and 6, is basically earth tones with a pop of color. I thought that the blues on this one looked really pretty, and the yellows, I love the yellows on that one. And again, same stamp set. No, I didn't. Okay. I distressed the edges on this one. This was using the engraver, the Lost and Found Sunshine collection, and romance novel. So I used these 3 collections for this one, this card. It's these 3. And again, like I told you guys, I'm trying to use up my stash. I have so much stuff I need to use up. And then again, flowers from my stash. This is from the Hobby Lobby clearance. These 2 that we recently had, the 60% off. So is this one. This is Michael's flower. Again, the Fun Fur is from Dollar Tree. I don't know if you guys, if you go back a few videos, I did a Dollar Tree haul, and I hauled this Fun Fur. It's really pretty. Again, this is tea-dyed lace from Michael's. It doesn't come this color. I tea-dyed it. And this is from Michael's, I believe. So this is, I love this card. And again, I did the distressing with, what's the, Vintage Photo. My Vintage Photo is Seen Better Days. I love Vintage Photo color. It's really pretty. That's my go-to color all the time. And a Mustard Seed by Tim Holtz. So I did the same technique. I love this card. And the blue has no distressing or no inking or anything. It's just simple. And again, I stamped it with Tim Holtz, the Victorian, Vintage Photo, and the blue was Salty Ocean. I couldn't remember the name. That's why you guys could see a little bit of blue at the end, and then in the start you could see a little bit of blue. I kind of did a blend of color, or at least I attempted to. Well, this is all I have for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys like the cards, and it inspires you to make some. Please give thumbs up to this video if you like them. And in other words, like the video. Please subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. The next video that I will be uploading will be a process video on how I'm going to make these cards, because I'm going to redo a set for myself to keep in my stash. So I am going to redo all these cards. So the upcoming video should be a how-to video. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a nice day, and please do not forget to subscribe. and leave a nice comment. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.